Daily Useful English-Tagalog Sentences, Part 70. Siguro ay mawawala kami ng ilang araw. We'll probably be away for a few days. Mahilig akong maglakbay kasama ang pamilya ko. I am very fond of traveling with my family. Sana makasama ako sayo. I wish I could come with you. Hindi mo na kailangang mag-alala pa. You don't have to worry at all. Isipin mo lang na lagi kitang kasama. Just think as if I'm always with you. Huwag mo masyadong seryosohin ang sinabi niya. Don't think his remarks seriously. Isipin mo na lang na hindi iyon nangyari sa'yo. Just think as if it didn't happen to you. Gusto ko lang ng mabuti para sa lahat. I only want the best for everyone. Kahit gustuhin ko man, hindi ko kayang gawin iyon. Even if I wanted to, I couldn't do that. Kailangan ko ng kaunting oras para magmuni-muni. I need a little time to think. Susubukan kong hindi na magkamali sa susunod. Next time, I'll try not to make mistakes. Kailangan kong ipaglaban ang mga karapatan ko. I need to fight for my rights. Ano bang gusto mo paglaki mo? What do you want to be when you grow up? Mahirap makipagsapalaran sa ibang bansa. It's hard to venture abroad. Mahirap ang buhay pero kahit papaano nakakaraos rin. Life is hard but at least I'm surviving it. Wala akong ideya kung ano ang nangyayari sa labas. I have no idea what is happening outside. Mukhang uulan na, ipasok mo na ang sinampay. It's going to rain, take the clothes inside. Hindi na mahalaga ang sinabi niya, basta masaya ka. It doesn't matter whatever she said as long as you're happy. Pagsisisihan mo iyan pagdating ng panahon. You will regret it when time comes. Sa totoo lang, hindi ko ito gusto. Honestly, I don't like this. Hayaan mong tulungan kita dyan. Let me help you with that. Hindi na kailangang mag-alala pa. No need to be worried. Pag-isipan mo muna ang sinabi ko. Take time to think what I've said. Isipin mo kung ano ang mas makakabuti para sa'yo. Think what is best for you. Nagkamali ka man, ang mahalaga, naging masaya ka. Even if you make a mistake, what is important is that you're happy. Sa panahon ngayon, lamang ang may talento at kasanayan. During these times, those who have talents and skills are advantaged. Dapat lagi kang handa sa anumang pagkakataon. You should always be prepared for any opportunity. Maraming beses na akong nabigo pero hindi ako nawala ng pag-asa. I've failed so many times but I never lose my faith. Sa anumang kadahilanan, huwag kang makakalimot na maging matatag sa buhay. For whatever reason, don't forget to be strong.